Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Apple ID password on MacBook Air, quick fix step by step clearly. To reset your Apple ID password on a MacBook Air, begin by clicking on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the System Preferences window, click on Apple ID located at the top right. Once you're in the Apple ID section, look for the Password and Security tab on the left side. Click on Password to initiate the password reset process. A prompt will appear, asking for your Mac's administrator password. Enter your administrator password and click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see a screen that provides options for resetting your Apple ID password. Select Forgot Apple ID or Password, and click on it. You may need to enter your Apple ID email address in the provided field. Click Continue to receive instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may involve answering security questions or using two-factor authentication. Once you've successfully verified your identity, you can enter a new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements set by Apple. After entering the new password, click Change Password. Once your password is changed, you can close the System Preferences window. Your Apple ID password has now been successfully reset on your MacBook Air. You can use this new password to access your Apple ID across all Apple devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.